Why Lakan can't see human faces. A condition known as prosopagnosia. Prosopagnosia, also known as face blindness, is a rare cognitive condition that impairs the brain's ability to recognize faces. In the series The Apothecary Diaries, the brilliant military tactician Lakan has this condition. But Lakan can detail individual faces, such as eyes, ears, or mouth. But he will have difficulty recognizing people's faces as a whole. Prosopagnosia, commonly called face blindness, is a neurological condition where the brain cannot recognize faces. It affects about 2% to 2.5% of the global population. Let's see the the brain biology of this disease. Here is the real-life science behind how the condition works. The fusiform face area of brain. This is a specific region in the temporal lobe of brain. It processes human faces holistically. In prosopagnosia, the fusiform face area is either underdeveloped or damaged, meaning the brain sees eyes, noses, and mouths as isolated parts, rather than a unified face. This leads to a category of visual agnosia. Prosopagnosia is a highly selective form of agnosia, while general vision and object recognition remain completely intact. Facial recognition alone is impaired. Is this condition inherited? Yes, congenital prosopagnosia is heavily inherited. When a person is born with face blindness rather than acquiring it through a brain injury, it is strongly linked to genetics. Research shows a substantial hereditary component, and it frequently runs in families. Let's discuss the genetic mechanics of its inheritance. It has autosomal dominant inheritance. Congenital face blindness is widely suspected to follow an autosomal dominant pattern. This means a child only needs to inherit a single copy of the mutated gene from one affected parent to develop the condition. In the fictional context of characters Lakan and Mau Mau. In the Apothecary Diaries, this real-life genetic fact adds a fascinating layer to the story. Since Lakan has the congenital form of prosopagnosia, Mau Mau could have biologically inherited the trait. While the narrative shows Mau Mau recognizing faces normally, her extreme pragmatism, detachment, and intense focus on individual physical details, like freckles, scars, or makeup, mirror the exact structural coping mechanisms used by real-world children, born to face-blind parents.